Justin, interview time. With Brandon being late, and we're here, ready to go, what is today's prediction going to be? And the fact that he forgot his baits, and he has to use yours. Nothing?
No.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how today at Lake George is going to be like.
Oh! I said it. I called it.
Okay, let's get this going.
That will probably come back and get that because it wasn't even close.
Yeah.
They were doing that to me last night.
Oh man, they were everywhere last night, but it was funny.
You guys go again?
Hit!
Did you get him too?
I was in the banks.
You guys use the black and gold?
Black and gold flake Senko.
Little bass.
Yep. There we go. First one in the boat. Ooh.
What?
I think. How deep are we? Not at all.
2 feet.
Okay, so me and Justin have done a little research and some science. We have a secret bait.
What's that? Oh, is that the one that you were talking about?
Don't worry about it.
Stand on prop.
Top water bacon. Top water bacon.
Is that it?
We're doing, this is the bacon challenge.
Look at my bobber.
Do you just have bite?
It's cannonball.
No, but Cordell was like, there's bigger ones than that.
No, this is the biggest.
Yeah, it was the biggest cannonballs. The ones bigger up from that are from like, nope, we did research.
You know the mayflies though? Why? What's the research? You just drag it along the bottom like that?
Oh, just use it like a top water.
Yeah, I watched.
Yeah, we watched science happen, and
And whose idea was it?
yours. Yep,
Where was this at? Lake Fall?
something like that.
Oh, so is that Lake Cordell? In this fish tank.
We had the lab coats on, and we performed an
And
experiment.
I fed his fish popcorn chicken. They inhaled it.
It was pretty funny. The whole meat and potatoes, huh?
Look, 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 look.
Whoa, whoa. Bacon! Big fish! Big fish! Get the net! Get the net! Now! That's big. And I'm not kidding. On the bacon! On the bacon!
Oh, that's a big
Get it! Thank you!
my.
Bacon challenge! Bacon challenge!
Record, Cordell.
Bacon challenge complete!
That's bigger than.
Woo!
Look
Yeah.
at this.
Right there!
I think that's the biggest one I've ever
Oh my god, that's right there! Right there, boys! Oh, you're coming home with me, buddy.
Look at this.
I'm getting.
You gonna cook them?
Yeah, oh yeah. You're coming home with me. That is big. Look at that.
I think it's the biggest one.
Man. Bacon challenge. Bacon challenge.
Nice catch.
All right, boys, in the comments, hashtag bacon challenge. Woo! If you don't believe me, there it is right there. That's a slice of bacon that I buy at a grocery store.
Show what you got.
Let's see.
This dance is really good.
For a dollar store? Oh yeah, most dollar store lures are pretty good like that.
Oh yeah, there's a couple back there.
Oh, look at that. Look at that jump.
Big smallie too.
Yep, that is. Got that tongue.
Look at that. Top water. Yo-Zuri. Never fails. Oh yeah. It's no gooder. There we go. It's not a bad bass. For sure.
Okay. Come on, tank bait.
1 minute.
What else?
What's up? Oh, it's on now. Oh, it's on. It's on. It's on. Justin got the bait on. The ultimate bait. No, it's not bacon. It's one of his best lures in his box right now.
Yep.
See what I mean? See what I mean?
Looks like a Travis.
See what I mean? Best bait in his box right now.
They're just small. It's small.
He's fighting though.
Yeah, he's picking it sideways, I think.
Foul hook? No, it looks like a bass. No, it's a bass.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, that's funny.
Hook set's a hook set.
Yep, hook set's a hook set, buddy. I knew it once I seen that bait come out, it's on. They're-
Wait a minute.
Them fish are done.
Well, he's fucking hurting. That went deep and just climbs up.
Yeah, he's hurting.
Fish just jump right there?
Yeah.
Where?
No, it's not fucking
Was it? Oh.
I did cast it right there.
Oh, wasn't paying attention. I was staring off in space.
Hate that?
I was staring off in space and I just heard a splash. I missed it. Follow up, get it.
You sure?
Yep. Hey man, we're a team.
Oh, Patrick.
You any small or big?
Small pickle.
Small, but catch.
A heavy one though.
Yeah, oh man, yeah.
It almost hooked me. Anchor.
Anchor. There you go. Nice one.
Whoa. What?
Oh, we're on a fucking big ass rock.
Man, my big one could eat this little one.